Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn the merge statement. So a merge statement in SQL is used to do inserts, updates and deletes in a single statement. Typically, if you want to do all three operations on a table, you will have to run one by one, all three statements. But using merge, you can do all of these together in a single statement. Okay, we will today understand it from very basics. We will change the data and see how it behaves. Okay, for different data, so I have the insert statement. If you see, I will change the data and show you all the possible combinations. Okay, so we need two tables for merge statement. One is source table and one is target table. What does that mean? That means is I want to merge the data of source table into target table. So for instance, in this table, this is my first table is source table and second table is target table, right? So if you see here, we have product ID 1, 3 and product name and price. Here we have product ID 1, 2, product name and price. So what I want to do first is I want to update the prices from source table to target table. So basically, if there is a product ID 1, which is there in target table as well as source table, right? So I want to update the price into target table. So for product ID 1 in the target table, the price is 100, but I want to update it to 90. Okay, so this will be my first operation, which will be a update kind of operation, right? What will be my second operation? Second operation will be, if you see in this table, product ID 3 is not available. So if product ID is not there in target table, but it is there in source table, then in that case, I want to insert the data, right? So product ID 3 will be inserted and product ID 1 will be updated. The updated price should be 90, right? Now, once we understand this, then we will move to delete, right? So don't worry, I will cover that. So let's start writing our statement. So I will say merge. Okay. So what I want to merge? I want to merge target table, right? So I will say merge target products and I will give it as alias st. You can say as target or anything. I'll say st using, so I have to say using which table you want to merge, using source product table, right? This is how we understand it, that we need two table. One is target table which we want to actually merge, and then this is using this table. So I will say as s. Now when I'm merging, I have to give a common key based on what you want to merge, based on what you will join these two tables, right? So I will say using, right, using t dot product id equal to as dot product id. In both the tables we have this column product id, if you see, right? So I'm saying using or not using, using is there already, I have to say on. Okay, sorry, my mistake. So I'm saying using this source product table on, so join will be based on this. Once this join is made, right, once this join is made, I want to write multiple condition, that if it is a update operation, which means if the key is there in both the tables, then I want to do a update. So for that I will say when matched, which means if the product id is matching, then update, right? This is how I will write. When matched means matched based on product id. So this row and this row will be matched, right? It will go into this when matched, then update, right? And then I will say set, this is my update statement, set t dot price equal to s dot price, right? That's what I want to do. When product id is matched, then I want to update the price. Let's say your product name can also change, so I can write two statement. I can say t dot product name equal to s dot product name. Okay, this also I can do. So both the things will be updated together, right? So if I run this, what will happen in the target table? The price should be updated. We have not taken care of insert. Let's run this and then we will move on to the insert. Okay, so I will run this, and now if I see the tables again, you will see the price 90 is updated. You see, price 90 is updated now, isn't it? So this is working perfectly fine. Now my second scenario is when the this join is not matching. So when product ID is available here but not here, right? So in that case, I will write the next statement: when not matched by target, then it means, sorry, it should be matched. It means that when there is no match, there is a record in source but it is not in target, right? When there is a record in source but not matched by target, then I will say insert. Okay, in that case, we want to insert the record. And what will be the values? All the values from source table. So as dot product id, as dot product name, and as dot price, right? So these are the things we want to do. It is product id. Okay, if I run it again, now that update is already done, but I will show you all the operations together as well. But first, let's cover it one by one. So now I'm saying when not matched by target, when there is a record in source, in our case there is a record in source 3 as per product id, because we are joining on product id, right? And 3 is not there. So I'm saying when not matched, at this moment this statement will still run. When matched, then update, but you will see the same thing, 90 90. So this statement will still run because product id is matching. It doesn't know that price is same or not. It will just check if product id is matching, then run the update statement. So update statement will still run, but you will not see any effect because it is already same updated. But in this case, product id 3 will be inserted in target table, right? So if I run this now, and it says two rows affected because one is updated, updated statement has still run, and one is inserted, right? So let's see this. So if you see 1 3 1 2 3, right? So this 3 is also there now. 3 is inserted from this table to this table, right? I hope it makes sense. This data is available in target table. Now third one is delete. Delete means there is a record in target table but not in source, that you want to delete, right? That's the third thing that you can do here. There is a record in the target table but not in source. So you will say when not matched by source, then. So I'm saying there is a record in target table, but it is not matched in source, which means product ID 3, right? Which is not there. Sorry, product ID 2, which is not there in source. I want to delete it. Then you will simply say then delete. Okay, you don't have to say anything else because your join is already happening on product ID. And if there is a record in the target which is not in source, that you want to delete. If I just do this, it says 3 rows affected because because this has to be done, and there it is updating 2 rows now because there are two matching records, right? And one is delete, right? So there are two matching records, 1 3, those got updated. Those were already updated, but update statement still ran, right? Because there was a matching data when matched. There was no matching data where not matched by target, so this didn't run, right? And this delete again ran, right? So there were total 3 rows. So if you see, product id 2 is not there. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Now what we will do, we will store the original state of the tables and we will run all the statements together. So I'll just delete data. Okay, and let's look at the data again. So if you see, we have 1 3 1 2, the price here is 100, it should become 90. 2 should be deleted and 3 should come in this target table, right? So if I run this, everything will run together, and if you see, there are 3 rows impacted. And if I look at the data, you see exactly the same data because this row got updated, this got inserted, and the product id 2 which was there in target table got deleted. Okay, so this is all about merge statement. You can do all of the dml operations, insert, update, deletes, in a single statement. You can write any any join condition, and accordingly you can write your update or delete or insert statements. Okay, I hope this helps. Please do like the video. Thanks for watching till here. Have a good day.